Everybody, Scotty with Everything Starts Somewhere. 4 o'clock update on September 28th, Hurricane Ian. You can see the water in the pool. We've got like a mini sloshing tidal thing going on back and forth in the water. It comes up just to the edge and then drops back down. Winds have still been increasing, rain's increasing. Looks like the neighbor's tree was just broken off and is now laying over in his yard. Just completely uprooted that avocado tree. Winds are pretty wicked out here, blowing around, gusting. Neighbors over there waving. Judy and Landy, hey. So that's about it. Power, internet, and cell service are still up. Another update in an hour or so. Thanks everybody, be safe.